Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fully reset your PC. 1. Click on Start and then open the Settings app. Go to Update and Security, then Recovery. And to reset this PC, click the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to select how you want to reset the PC. Removes apps and settings but retains personal files, which is Keep My Files, or if you want to remove everything, which deletes all data, apps and settings for a clean slate. Windows provides two reinstallation options, cloud download or local reinstall, which uses an existing Windows installation files on your PC, so just choose cloud download. Depending on the reinstallation method you chose, click Change Settings to adjust options like restoring pre-installed apps and settings, then confirm your settings and proceed. Once you've reviewed your choices, click Next to confirm, and follow any on-screen instructions to start the reset process. Your PC will restart and the reset process will begin. Once the process is complete, your PC will be returned to its factory state, free of personal data. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.